Hey guys, it's me Casper, and today we're gonna do another episode or video, of unboxing. And today we're gonna be unboxing the Klutz book of paper airplanes. So it gives you so this is what it says: Klutz book of paper airplanes, and then there's paper airplanes, and it says here 10 easy to fold planes. And then it says 100% Klutz certified. And then down here, it says, with 40 sheets of full color flight ready paper. So this is what the front looks like. And so the back is just like this. And here's the papers. So yeah, and then there's a bunch of paper airplanes, and see on this page they have like a bunch of stats and stuff like that, like what their name is and what they are and how hard they are, and yeah. So I'm just gonna name all of them. First one is the Nakamura Lock, Spy Plane, Swashbuckler, Headhunter, the Hammer, Terraplane, the Professional, Flying Ninja, Space Cruiser, and the Hurricane. So yeah, those are all of them. And then, and then here's all the planes. The Hurricane's like not even a kind of a plane, but it's kind of like a circle thing, almost like a cylinder. So yeah, it's just a bunch of cool pages, not really, but so I'm gonna make the first one. It's called the Nakamura Lock. But first, I'm gonna actually I'm gonna take in the back. There's actually the design paper over here, and it says here, caution, 20 dangerously cool paper designs inside. And here's the package, so let's take it out. I have to take the sticker off. Okay, I got the sticker. So we got it. It's pretty big. That's the first one. And there's 40, so there's 20 of each. So I'm going to show you all of them, and then I'm going to open it. Okay. Oh yeah, and I also want to shout out to my, I also want to shout out to Lillian Yuhas. So yeah, she goes to my class. Okay. Okay, so first one is the checkerboard. Then it's like a thumbprint. It's kind of like an optical illusion. It's kind of this kind of thing. And it's like a green background with droplings on it. Water droplets. Then it's a camo. And it's like this kind of thing. And it's like a red and white. This was for the Flying Ninja, because I saw it on the paper, but you can use any single one. And this is also like an optical illusion thing. This is a zebra print. Tiger print. Snake print. There's leaves. I don't know what this is. Wait. Oh, wait. Is there also... Oh, and on the back is just like normal paper. But on the back of this one, there's like scales. So that's cool. Oh, and on the back of this one, there's like a Mars kind of. So this is for the space cruiser. Fire. Cheetah, I think? No. Leopard? I don't know. Write me in the comments what this is. Leopard, probably. I don't know. Like a temple, so that's cool. In the back, it's like this kind of stuff. Sky. A treasure map. And that's it. So yeah. So I'm gonna build one. And I'm gonna build the first one. And the print that I'm gonna use is the oh gosh, there's so much papers. The print that I'm gonna use is I think I'm gonna use the actually I don't know yet, but I'll just pick anyone. I'll just pick the one that was on the whatever it was called. Nakamura lock thing. So it was, I think, the whatever. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, I'll just use this one. So yeah, I'll make the So, actually, will be the end of the video. So, yeah, I'll make another video about it. So, yeah, so that was it, guys. And once again, shout out to Looney who has, and peace.